Hello people, I just came on my terrace right now and I was just getting these questions from my friends. Wait, let me. Okay, now I guess that you people are able to see me. Okay, now it's clear, now it's little bit clearer. So okay, so I was just getting many questions from people that अरे यार आप वीडियो क्रिएशन में हो, आप मतलब पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग में हो या फिर जो भी है, इफ़ यू आर एट द बिगिनर लेवल ऑल्सो, मेनी पीपल आर थिंकिंग कि यार देर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन इन इट. पीपल आर थिंकिंग कि यार कॉम्पिटिशन बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है एंड ऑल. बट फॉर ऑल दोज पीपल लेट मी टेल यू दिस कि यार कंपटीशन तो हर जगह पे है. इफ़ यू आर जस्ट थिंकिंग टू स्टार्ट अ यूट्यूब, if you are just thinking to start anything like from on Instagram, on YouTube, anywhere, there competition will be there. Like let me tell you, I just recalled this कि यार if you want to come in this world, there is a competition. So forget about all that, forget all that competition and all. Just think about one thing कि यार can I bring value to people, can I actually do it? If the answer is yes, then just go for it because competition will be there. See, like if I'll tell you, if you want to take birth, there is competition. If I'll tell you that, like just see, India has maximum number of celebrities. Now celebrities in the sense, it may be sports person, it may be bodybuilders, it may be actors, it may be politicians. There are so many people right now, but still see in everywhere, like see in politics, see in the sports world, see in the film industry world, there are still people who are actually coming, who want to come, who want to actually start their journey. They are not at all thinking about all this competition and all. So just remove that from your mind कि competition होगा, will I get the results or no. See, if you want to be like, stop focusing on to be the first person. Stop focusing कि यार इन 100 लोगों में से I want to be the first person. No, focus that how you can be more better on that thing, because competition is everywhere. You need to only focus that how you can bring value and how you can, like, don't think to beat everyone. Instead think that how you can be the best instead of being the first. अगर आप देखोगे तो यार Amazon की जगह, like see Amazon, we have the greatest example. उन्होंने कभी ये नहीं सोचा कि यार competition बहुत ज़्यादा होने वाला है. He just thought कि let me try this. Like Amazon. And the best example जो मैंने आपको दिया था कि यार Indian celebrities, there are like in the entire world, most of the people who are like, most of the VIPs are in India, and they never think कि यार, और जो भी newbies है ना, जो भी लोग क्रिकेट में बोलो, फुटबॉल में बोलो, स्पोर्ट्स में बोलो, जो भी लोग नए आने वाले बोलो, ये नहीं सोचते कि यार कंपटीशन बहुत ज़्यादा है. See, this thing is something which will never get saturated. If you want to be a creator, it will never get saturated, because just see कि यार इंडिया में ही, like not in India, like in that entire, okay, let's talk about India. If you want to see that in India, 0.4 to 0.0.4, like 0.5% people are thinking like they are content creators. 94, like 95-96% are the people who are not at all doing anything. So just stop, yeah, just stop thinking and start working on your ideas. Because if, okay, let me tell you, have you seen a horse race, मतलब घोड़ा जो भागता है, have you seen it? That time the horses never think यार there are 10 people besides me, और क्या मैं इसमें first आऊँगा कि नहीं. They just think यार okay, let's run. So focus on your betterment, focus on how you can be better. That's it. And leave everything. Leave everything. Competition होगा, ये होगा, वो होगा, leave it. Just focus that how you can be the better one. इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू सी, तो फिर कंपटीशन अपने आप में रखो. बोलो कि मेरे में इतना ज़्यादा आलस है, वो कैसे कम होगा. बाहर वाले लोग को ख़त्म करने से पहले फिनिश योर, like फिनिश द लेजीनेस इनसाइड यू, देन ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल गेट बेटर एंड बेटर.